Hey everyone, so we got back from our walk and I'm frying up some little smokies. Got some grits cooking. I gotta add some butter and cheese to them. And my daughter bought this. Well, I got it folded over, but I'll show it to you. My daughter bought this ham. She wanted it because she's not crazy about the little smokies. I love them, but, well, me and Puppy love them. So, yeah, just frying these up. And a pack of little smokies, like I buy the small packs, it's like $3. And I get like 3 or 4 meals out of them. Sometimes more. I cooked more this morning because I'm feeding me, my ex, and my daughter, and of course Puppy. And Puppy likes grits too. Okay, I need to shut these off. Shut them off, cover them up. I'll add some butter. But I put plain grits. It does have a little butter and salt in it because you have to use that to cook it with. But I put plain grits in Puppy's bowl. Alright, I'm going to cover them up. Now I'll put some plain grits in Puppy's bowl. Because, you know, not good for dogs. You know what I mean. With all the added stuff. I mean, a little bit of cheese you can have. I'll sprinkle a little cheese on his. And I'll break up a couple pieces of sausage in it. And, he loves it. I don't know how good it is for us, but we both love it, so. I just wanted to show y'all what I was cooking for breakfast. And like I said, and that ham steak's like $5-6. And then a pack of these is like $3 for a small pack. So you really, when you get a few meals out of it, I mean, you really, it's not a bad price. And I buy the beef smokies. Because being from New York, everything's got to be beef. You know. I don't eat the pork sausage or anything like that. Never have. So I guess I can start the sausage off. And you see I'm using the Blue Diamond skillet. Now I will tell you this. I don't know whoever said the sandal does not get hot. That thing gets hot. Okay, I reached my size limit. Bye, y'all. Morning, everyone. Me and Puppy's at the river. Look at them trees over there down. Well, the river went down a lot, y'all. They say no rain, cloudy, but we've had some wind gusts, like 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts. I think here comes one now. And the sky is real cloudy. It says no rain, but I don't know if I buy that or not. Look at that tree out here. Big old tree in the water. Yeah, real peaceful here this morning. Well, I'm going to finish walking Puppy. You can tell when it's windy because look at the water and how fast it's moving. Yeah, this is beautiful. You see, I zoom in down the river a little bit. There's a spot right there, almost looks like a whirlpool. There's an old bridge right here. that goes over to what used to be an island. Part of it's now in the water. Alright, I just wanted to show you some peaceful, calm scenery, and the leaves on the trees are starting to change here. Yeah. Alright, everyone. Well, I want y'all to look. I got up, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I got up to go to the bathroom. He was in his chair. Then he went back to the back room, laid down. But the minute I got up to go to the bathroom, look where he went to. Look, he didn't leave me no room. I swear this is a doghouse. He just owns everything in here. And he sure didn't leave me no room to get in the bed. It's only a twin-size bed, y'all. And look at him. Just laying up there on like pillows and covers. Nice and cozy. Boy, I just don't know what I'm going to do with this dog. Besides throw him at my bed in a minute or move him over. Alright, y'all. I had to show you this.